Happy Monday, everyone. I hope everyone had a happy weekend. Well, last week we talked about primary sources, we talked about the five strands of social studies, and we talked about the five themes of geography. Well, today I want to talk about government. So, what is government? Government is an organization people set up to protect the community, make rules, and keep order. There are different types of government. In the United States, we have a democracy. In a democracy, the government is elected by the people. Everyone who is eligible to vote has a chance to have his or her say over who runs the country. There are two types of democracy. One type is direct. All citizens participate in government. There are no representatives in government. The citizens vote on everything. All citizens can create public policy if they want to. The second type is representative democracy. Like direct democracy, all citizens participate in government. People elect representatives who vote on laws. For citizens, representatives answer to the people through regular elections. Now I want to talk about autocracy. It's a form of government in which political power is controlled by one individual, such as a monarch, a dictator, or emperor. Some countries also have what we call a monarchy. It's where government is ruled by kings and queens. In a dictatorship, government is ruled by a single leader who gained power through force. It is not inherited. Oligarchy is where government is ruled by a few. Theocracy is where government is ruled by God or a higher power. In an anarchy, there's no government at all to make or enforce the laws. Well, we have covered governments now, and it should help you as you navigate through your assignments today. Enjoy the rest of your day.